You are not just a physical being living in a physical world. You are made up of energy and exist in a universe where everything is vibrating energy. Everything you see, touch, and feel, down to the smallest particle, is composed of energy in constant motion. This energy connects everything and everyone, creating a web of interdependence that governs our reality. You have the ability to send and receive energy. One of the greatest challenges you face is understanding how to live as an energy being in a world where everything, including yourself, is energy. Every word you speak, every action you take, whether it's the simplest tasks like breathing, walking, or eating, or the complexities of your emotions and thoughts, requires energy. These emotions and thoughts, whether positive or negative, carry their own energetic vibrations that shape your experiences and influence the world around you. Through mastery of your vibrations, you can unlock a world of endless potential. Think of yourself as a transmitter of energy. Every moment, you are sending out signals that tell the universe about who you are. These signals can attract or repel other energetic beings, events, and experiences. If your energetic self radiates anger or frustration, your physical reality will reflect that state. Naturally, you draw toward experiences that align with how you feel and who you are. On the other hand, if you emit an energy of wealth, joy, and abundance, your life will mirror those feelings by bringing more of those elements into your reality. Similarly, if you radiate negative or discordant energy, you are likely to repel experiences that don't match your current state. Once you understand that your vibrational self attracts similar energies, it becomes clear that if you desire a different experience in life, you must first change the signals you are emitting. If you want to attract different circumstances or outcomes, you need to adjust your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy to align with what you wish to experience. By consciously changing the signals you send out, you can create a shift in the patterns and experiences that come into your life. You are so much more powerful than you ever imagined. By understanding how to transmit the vibrations of your desired life, you can fundamentally change the way you experience the world. You have the ability to become aligned with your ideal life. Your thoughts are not just random mental processes. They carry energy and vibrations. Each thought you generate sets off a specific frequency of vibration in the neurons of your brain. This energetic activity creates a powerful force that aligns with and draws corresponding experiences toward you. In essence, the energy and vibrations emitted by your thoughts act as magnets, attracting and manifesting the essence of what you focus on. Your thoughts are the building blocks of your reality. There's a saying, watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. Your thoughts are the seeds that manifest your future. It's important to be mindful of how you allocate your energy, because energy follows attention. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide where to direct your energy. Even the act of making a decision requires energy. Albert Einstein once said, "Everything is energy." Even watching this video requires energy. The energy you focus on ultimately shapes your reality. You possess the power to guide and manage this energy, determining where to concentrate it and how to utilize it. By doing so, you can effectively channel your energy toward your goals and aspirations. When you're feeling down, you can redirect your attention to something that lifts your spirit. Surround yourself with positive people, engage in activities that bring you joy, and seek uplifting messages. Protecting your energy is also crucial. This includes setting boundaries, avoiding negative situations and relationships, and practicing self-care. The universe aligns in your favor, bringing you everything that resonates with your energy. Trusting and having faith in the power of energy can create remarkable transformations in your life. By placing trust in energy, you recognize your own deservingness to receive and your capacity to generously give to others. Start perceiving that there is more to life than what is apparent, and that a greater force is at play. Become connected to something vast, something that possesses boundless knowledge, understanding, and love. Trusting in energy brings about remarkable changes in your well-being. Your energy aligns, your cells rejuvenate, and your overall health improves. Feelings of despair, confusion, and disappointment fade away, replaced by a sense of serenity, balance, and lightness. Your energy becomes clear and flows smoothly, like a mountain stream. You embrace your worthiness and deservingness, and joy becomes a constant presence in your life. Wisdom and inner peace enrich your being, and clarity pervades your thoughts. This is the profound impact of energy. When you place your trust in it, everything effortlessly falls into place. When you trust in the universe and have faith in your own abilities, your energy becomes both powerful and serene. Wisdom and tranquility emerge from within. Your thoughts transform into beliefs, and your dreams start to materialize in your reality. By believing in your aspirations and taking concrete steps toward them, you can create significant transformations in your life and accomplish everything you yearn for. Close your eyes and connect with your inner self. Feel the energy coursing through you. Feel the love, the strength, and the brightness. You are energy with the ability to create your reality and realize your aspirations. You are capable, worthy, and adored. Believe in yourself and the universe and watch the magic develop in your life. By transforming your thoughts into beliefs and placing faith in the universe's ability to provide for your needs, you can cultivate deep peace and joy. Remember, you are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Let your vibrations echo throughout eternity. May your journey be one of endless discovery, growth, and transformation. The universe eagerly awaits your harmonious vibrations, ready to co-create a reality beyond your wildest dreams. By consciously choosing and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desired vibration, you can attract and manifest corresponding experiences into your life. Thank you for taking the time to explore this journey with me. Your support through sharing and commenting means the world. May your day be filled with beauty and inspiration.